In a world full of flat chips, Ruffles potato chips stand out with their unique crinkle and crunch, providing a variety of flavors to suit every taste. In this video, we're going to show you how this delightful snack is made inside the factory. Made from just 3 simple ingredients: potatoes, vegetable oil, which can include canola, corn, soybean, and/or sunflower oil, and salt. They're a classic go-to snack. Besides the traditional potato chip flavor, Ruffles comes in a variety of other flavors and styles. Some flavors are available only in specific regions, but you can typically find popular varieties like sour cream and onion, cheddar and sour cream, barbecue, cheese, salt and vinegar, cream cheese, and even hot wings everywhere. The unique texture is the first thing you'll notice when you bite into a Ruffles chip. Those ridges aren't just for looks, they add a whole new level of crunch. If texture makes or breaks a chip for you, Ruffles is a top choice. Every chip is packed with satisfying ridges to keep your taste buds happy. Now let's talk about how these chips are made. One of the most critical steps in the potato chip making process is the peeling of the potatoes. Peeling might sound simple, but it's a very important task. It affects the overall quality of the chips. Bad peeling can leave bruises or spots on the potatoes, which can mess with the taste and texture. In the past, potatoes were peeled by hand, which was slow and required a lot of work. But with today's technology, we have automatic peeling systems that make everything faster and easier. There are 2 main types of peeling systems: abrasive and steam. Abrasive peeling uses rough surfaces to rub off the potato skin, while steam peeling softens the skin with high-pressure steam before a machine scrapes it off. Both methods have their pros and cons. Abrasive peeling is inexpensive and quick, but it can damage the potatoes. Steam peeling is gentler and results in better quality chips, but it's slower and uses more energy. Regardless of the method used, the potatoes must be thoroughly washed and checked for defects before peeling to ensure the final product is top-notch. After peeling, the potatoes go through various stages in the production line. They're washed to remove any dirt and then sorted by size. Smaller potatoes are rinsed immediately, while larger ones get cut before moving on to the rinsing stage. Next, the potatoes are sliced into thin pieces using adjustable blades, which can be set to different thicknesses or even shapes depending on the type of chip. Once sliced, the potatoes move on to the frying process, where they're cooked to perfection, resulting in that golden crunch we all love. Frito-Lay's Killingly, Connecticut facility is a leader in potato chip production, churning out about 150 million pounds of snacks annually. This facility makes everything from Ruffles to Lay's, Fritos, Doritos, and Tostitos, servicing areas from Maine down to New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. In addition, sustainability is a key focus at the Killingly plant. They process around 21,500 pounds of potatoes every hour, which adds up to millions of pounds each week. They need about 4 pounds of raw potatoes to produce 1 pound of finished chips. Despite this massive production, they are dedicated to minimizing their environmental footprint. Their advanced water conservation systems save around 14 million gallons of water annually, contributing to 21 million gallons yearly savings. In short, from the moment those potatoes enter the factory to the moment they land in a bag of Ruffles, the process is a fine-tuned operation that ensures quality and flavor. With the right peeling system and careful attention to detail at every step, Ruffles chips deliver a crunch and flavor that keeps them among the top-tier snacks. At the Killingly facility, Ruffles potato chips are made using a smooth, efficient process that ensures high quality, flavor, and freshness. The process starts with slicing raw potatoes and rinsing them in cold water for about a minute. After a quick spin inside a giant barrel to wash away excess starch, an air blower dries off the slices before they're sent into the fryer. Here, canola oil heated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit crisps them up in 3 minutes. As the chip exits the fryer, they drip off the extra oil and get a sprinkle of salt. They then pass through an electronic sorting machine that uses a camera to scan for defects like brown spots. If any chip looks off, air pressure blows it off the conveyor belt. This system ensures only the perfect chips make it through to the next stage. Once the chips are sorted, they are seasoned with special ingredients to give them flavors like barbecue, sour cream and onion, or cheddar and sour cream. After flavoring, a machine carefully weighs and portions the chips to ensure each bag gets just the right amount. The chips are then sealed into bags made of laminated film, designed to keep them fresh for as long as possible. One interesting part of the packaging process is the filling of the bags with nitrogen gas. This isn't just for show. Replacing oxygen with nitrogen helps the chips stay crisp and fresh. It also creates a cushion inside the bag, protecting the chips from breaking during transport. Want to know what makes this process even more interesting and important? The Killingly facility is off the electrical grid, using natural gas-powered cogeneration boilers to create electricity. This method is eco-friendly and allows the plant to produce the steam needed for the chip-making process. This setup helps the facility save energy and reduce its carbon footprint. Beyond just energy efficiency, Killingly also finds ways to repurpose waste materials. Potato waste, for example, is turned into animal feed, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Even the packaging film gets a second life through the TerraCycle program, where it's transformed into products like handbags. These initiatives collectively reduce the plant's environmental impact by many millions of tons of CO2 annually, which is quite impressive. The entire journey from raw potato to a finished bag of chips takes about 15 minutes, far faster than what it takes to eat them. Every step of the production process is carefully controlled to guarantee that each chip is crispy, delicious, and ready to be enjoyed. The Ruffles production line combines taste, texture, and sustainability. Whether ensuring that each chip is perfectly seasoned or that the plant operates in an eco-friendly manner, the Killingly facility has it down to a science. Every bag of Ruffles you enjoy is the result of a thoughtful, efficient process designed to bring you the best snack possible. The story of how this potato chip came to be is interesting and captivating. Throughout the 20th century, as the world saw empires rise and fall, endured 2 world wars, and experienced the civil rights movement, a humble potato chip quietly made its way into snack history. That chip was none other than Ruffles, a brand that would go on to capture hearts and taste buds all around the world. Ruffles was born post-World War II, a period defined by optimism and prosperity. In 1948, Bernhard Stammer, a visionary in the snack food industry, came up with the idea for a unique crinkle-cut potato chip. Little did he know that this would lay the foundation for a snack that would become a household favorite for millions. Stammer's crinkle-cut design wasn't just about looks. It gave Ruffles chips their signature texture and extra crunch, setting them apart from the competition. This distinctive shape became the brand's defining feature and played a huge role in its success. Over the years, the crinkle cut has remained at the heart of Ruffles, making the chips instantly recognizable. Years later, in 1958, Ruffles took a big leap forward when the Frito Company, which would later become part of Frito-Lay, saw the potential in Stammer's creation. They made a strategic move by buying the rights to Ruffles, which turned out to be a game-changer. With Frito-Lay's resources, Ruffles gained the distribution channels and marketing expertise needed to become a major player in the competitive potato chip market. Under Frito-Lay's guidance, Ruffles flourished. The brand didn't stick to one flavor or market. New flavors were introduced, and the chips began to make their way into international markets. This helped Ruffles grow its reach and popularity far beyond the United States. Ruffles' journey into the global market is a great example of how brands can adapt to local preferences. The chips are sold in some countries under different names, but the product remains the same. For instance, in the UK and Ireland, Ruffles is known as Walker's Max, Walker's Max Double Crunch, or Walker's Max Strong. In Peru, they're branded as Lay's Ondas, which aligns with Lay's brand identity. Despite the name changes, the crinkle-cut texture and bold flavors that define Ruffles stay consistent, allowing the brand to maintain its global appeal while catering to regional tastes. Ruffles isn't just about the chips, though. In 2013, PepsiCo, the parent company, launched a quirky new mascot in Brazil called Batatito. This character, a potato sporting pants and sunglasses, became quickly popular in Ruffles commercials aimed at adult audiences. Batatito appeared in other Latin American countries and became recognizable in Ruffles' marketing efforts. His last appearance was in 2017, where he popped up in a lime-flavored Ruffles ad alongside Pepsi Twist mascots. Even though the mascot retired, Ruffles continues to shine in the snack world. In 2024, the brand was the second best-selling potato chip in the United States, with sales hitting an impressive $1.9 billion. While Lay's held the top spot with $4.27 billion in sales, Ruffles' loyal fan base and unique product offerings have kept it a strong contender. At its core, the Ruffles story is one of innovation and adaptability. A simple idea, a crinkle-cut potato chip, has become a global snack sensation. From its humble beginnings in the post-war era to its expansion into international markets and playful advertising campaigns, Ruffles has consistently evolved while staying true to its roots. Whether you're enjoying a classic sour cream and onion chip or trying one of the more adventurous varieties, one thing is for sure: Ruffles will always deliver that satisfying crunch that made it a snack-time favorite for decades. What's your favorite flavor of Ruffles potato chips? Share in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.